This is Praia de Sereia here in Porto region, more specifically Vila Nova De Gaia. It is 3rd of February 2024, 20 degrees Celsius in the air as it is 3:45 p.m. right now, and 13.7 degrees Celsius in the sea. And this is beach adventure number 6 for today. I already did 5, and I had a challenge that my GoPro Hero 11 couldn't start after a few beach adventures that I made. So now I'm doing this with my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So I hope you will enjoy this episode as much as I will enjoy the beautiful ocean, and hope the waves won't reach to my backpack where my phone is standing over right now. So yes, so Vila Nova De Gaia is the 3rd largest city in Portugal, and it's basically connected to Porto. It's just across the river Douro that divides them, and it's also known that this is part of Porto region as well. So yes, day 2 out of 3 for Porto Beach Adventures. So now let's zoom in, if possible. Maybe not. So not possible to zoom in, so I'm just gonna go take a swim. Now, that was an amazing beach adventure here in Praia de Sereia. So, I'm really blessed that I enjoy the beautiful ocean here in Porto region. So, I'm gonna enjoy the waves here. Definitely, it's such an amazing beach adventure here. So yes, let's show you the ocean a bit from near distance before we wrap up. Amazing. Look at that. Look at the whole beach. Woo! Alright, I'm going to enjoy more in the waves here at Praia de Sereia in Vila Nova de Gaia, Porto. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!